Hey, it's Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty. In this video, we're going to take a new construction walkthrough tour of the Rockwell Plan by Meritage Homes. The Rockwell is a little over 2,100 square feet. There's 4 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms. There's a flex room on the main level that could be used as an office or another bedroom. It does have a closet. Open floor plan with a center island in the kitchen. There's a pantry closet as well. It also has subway towels, and there's a gas log fireplace in the living room. Let's go inside and take a closer look. Come on in. So on this side of the home is the family room with the gas log fireplace, the open kitchen with the center island, there's a gas range, subway tile, and a pantry closet as well. Let's check it out. All the bedrooms are upstairs in this home, so there are 4 bedrooms upstairs, which includes the huge master suite with an ensuite bathroom that has double sinks, a large shower, and a walk-in closet as well. Let's check it out. Outside, there's a spacious patio and a fully sodded lot. Let's check it out. I hope you enjoyed our tour. This particular Rockwell plan has plank floors throughout the main level. At the time of this recording, this particular home is actually available for sale at $299,900. If you are interested in this home or know someone who might be interested, or if you have questions about the real estate market in the area, let my team and I help you. Again, this is Victor Amadi here with Producer Realty, 864-438-5050, or visit our website to search all available listings for sale in the area at www.producerrealty.com. See you soon. Bye.